This is machine number 2148. It's a 4-post up-acting PHI press. It has electrically heated water-cooled platens. Has 2 daylight openings. The press is set up so you can have low pressure close or high pressure close or both. I'm going to demonstrate it with low pressure and high pressure close. So it's going to come up in low pressure. It'll sit in that low pressure mode depending on where you set the timer. I'm going to accelerate the timers simply because they're minute timers and I don't want to have to wait. So I'm going to clamp it up in low pressure. I'll actuate the low pressure timer. It'll then go into the high pressure timer. Once that timer times out, which I will manually override again, it will go into the cooling timer. And once the cooling timer times out, the press opens, shuts down and opens, and gravity returns back to the open position. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Okay, the press is in low pressure right now. The low pressure timer's timing. I'm going to go ahead and speed that up, and then it'll go into high pressure. Now the press is in high pressure and the high pressure timer is started. I'll go ahead and speed that timer up, and we will go into cooling timer, and then I'll speed that timer up and the press will time out and open. Once the timers have timed out and the cooling is done, the press opens to the open position. That completes machine number 2148, the 50-ton PHI press.